Now wait, she'll do it again. Does it mean you're ready for more?
Ew.
Well, I guess that's one way to communicate. What?
She's like, I'll put it in there.
No, no.
I'll put it in there.
I did that to her one time and she did it right back to me. What's she doing? Whoa!
Oh, you better hurry.
Oh, that's a big.
Give me that. I want him!
Yeah.
She got pissed at me this morning because she ate the whole jar of beavers.